I'll walk out in the corner.
Yeah. I got it. I got it.
Once that company moves up, you'll take their spot.
Rear rank man loads but does not cap. Front rank man caps when he takes the musket from him.
Our pards were walking along the top of the fort. Had a great vantage view up here of all the surrounding areas. So we have a nice little bird's eye view and probably a lot of advantage from firing downward.
This crater marks the site of the powder magazine. The underground structure was 40 feet long, 12 feet high, and 12 feet wide. It was covered with 15 feet of earth to protect it. The powder magazine held some 20 tons of gunpowder and ammunition during the battle.
A little cold, a little wet. You get through it eventually.
Hey, Bard, what you got cooking on the fire?
Stew here. I got some stew meat, got some potatoes and some onions, and we're gonna cook it up and put it in a Dutch oven and feed about 5 guys.
So what'd you guys do to get this job?
Voluntold.
How this is distributed, the sergeant will point at one of the pieces, but then he will actually turn and point. That's that pile. That pile.
On. Right shoulder shift. On. Hooray. Rest.
A chuck roast, some potatoes, some onion, celery, carrots, and tomatoes.
Thanks, Bard, for that little refresh. Morning, men.
Right shoulder shift.
Ammunition, of course, stored in the limber chest. You can see the gunner's chart in the back, the length of the fuse. 25 rounds, 3/4 of a pound powder charge.
Thank you.
You